Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Class 11th, subject economics. Dear students, today we will study how can we calculate Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Dear students, as we have studied in earlier lectures that the variables like weight and height, price and demand, like supply and price, these are the variables among which we can calculate the coefficient of correlation, or we can say that where we can find out the correlation between the variables. Dear students, however, there are certain variables among which we cannot calculate correlation with the help of Carl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Dear students, variables, as I have already teach you in earlier lectures, that variables are of two types, that is ordinal and cardinal. The variables like weight, height, price, demand, we can express them in quantitative terms, like we can say that the height of person is 5 feet, or the weight of any person is 20 kgs, or we can say that the price of the commodity is 30 rupees. At 30 rupees, 60 units of any commodity is demanded, like by and so. However, dear students, there are certain variables for which, or in other words, we can say which we can't express in quantitative terms. Variables like beauty, we can't say that the beauty of a person is 20 kgs. Variable like honesty, we can't express honesty in quantitative terms. Likewise, we cannot say the man is wise, 30 kg wise. There are certain variables which we can't express in quantitative terms. So for that variables we can't find out the correlation coefficient by Carl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation. So for such variables, there is another technique of finding correlation among the variables, that is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. How does we calculate this, that is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient? We find out the two variables, and after then we rank the variables. For example, what is ranking? If we find out 5 persons, a group of 5 persons, we can't say that person A is 20 kg beautiful and person B is 30 kg beautiful. We can't say this in quantitative terms. However, we can rank. We can say that person A is most beautiful, person B is someone less beautiful as compared to A, and person C is less beautiful as compared to B. Person C is less beautiful as compared to person B. इसी तरह person D is less beautiful as compared to person C. Likewise, we can rank them. We can rank their beauty. These are the things for which we assign rank. Similarly, if we are given here, so how can we calculate rank correlation coefficient? We here give ranks to the variables. For example, I have shown here an example that calculate rank correlation from the data. That is, if we are given two variables x and y, x is 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and y is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Dear students, if we are now assigned a job that find out the rank correlation between two variables. How can we calculate? So how can we calculate? We write these variables in the table, in the tabular form, that is x and y. So how can we calculate it? First we give serial number, that is how many entries are in x and y. One entry, second entry, third entry, fourth entry, and fifth entry. After then we give rank. We give rank variable x and variable y. If we find here it in x series, which one is highest among x series, which number is highest among x series, that here 10 is highest in x series. So we give rank first to 10, and the value less than to 10 is 8, so we assign rank 2 to 8, similarly rank 3 to 6, similarly rank 4 to 4, and similarly rank 5th to 2. इसी तरह हम y की सीरीज भी देखेंगे, वहाँ पर भी हम सबसे बड़े नंबर को रैंक फर्स्ट देंगे और रैंक सेकंड उससे लोवेस्ट जो होगा, इसी तरह हम रैंक देते रहेंगे. अगर हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे रैंक y, तो यहाँ सबसे बड़ा वैल्यू कौन है? 10 है, इसी हमने इसको रैंक फर्स्ट दिया, रैंक ऑफ y. इसी तरह 8 को रैंक 2, रैंक 3, रैंक 4 एंड रैंक 5. आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग दिस, what we do here, we find out difference between ranks. डिफरेंस बिटवीन रैंक्स, यानी कि रैंक x माइनस रैंक y. यहाँ पर रैंक x है 1 माइनस रैंक y है 5, y माइनस 5 हो गया -4. इसी तरह रैंक x माइनस रैंक y 2 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू -2 हो गया -2. 3 माइनस 3 हो गया 0, 4 माइनस 2 हो गया 2, 5 माइनस 1 होगा 4. फिर हम इस रैंक्स का स्क्वायर ढूंढते हैं. स्क्वायर मीन्स वी मल्टीप्लाई ए नंबर, we multiply any number 2 times by itself, that is -4 into -4 हो गया 16, -2 into -2 हो गया 4, 0 into 0 हो गया 0, 2 into 2 हो गया 4, 4 into 4 हो गया 16. ये हमारा बन गया यहाँ पर ये d स्क्वायर. इसके बाद क्या करते हैं? इसके बाद इसके लिए फार्मूला है rank correlation coefficient, or we can say Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is denoted by this symbol, which is read as rho, R-H-O, rho. It is read as rho. It is equal to rank correlation coefficient. The formula for calculating rank correlation coefficient is equal to 1 minus 6 summation of d square divided by n into n square minus 1. तो हमारा 1 हो गया 1, माइनस हो गया -6 हो गया 6, समेशन ऑफ d स्क्वायर. समेशन ऑफ डी स्क्वायर मीन्स जो ये डी स्क्वायर कॉलम है, इस सारे को हमने सम निकालना है. इसका सम क्या निकल गया? 40. हो गया 6 into 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. n हो गया नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. वो कितनी है? 1 2 3 4 5, यानी x और y में कितनी टर्म्स है? x में कितनी है, y में कितनी है? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. तो यहाँ पर n आएगा 5 इंटू n स्क्वायर, 5 स्क्वायर माइनस 1. इसी तरह हम इसकी फिर कैलकुलेशन जो करेंगे, वो कैलकुलेशन के बाद जो इसका वैल्यू आएगा वो आएगा -1. तो यहाँ पर जो स्पीयरमैन्स रैंक कोरिलेशन कोएफिशिएंट हमें इसका वैल्यू आ गया, वो आ गया किसके बराबर? वो आ गया -1 के बराबर. दिस इज हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट स्पीयरमैन्स रैंक कोरिलेशन कोएफिशिएंट. सो इट वाज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज टॉपिक. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz Nasir.